Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start by preparing the laptop and confirming exactly which GPU and driver you have. Plug the laptop into power and choose a high-performance profile so updates won't be interrupted. Open Device Manager or System Information and read the GPU model and current driver version. Make sure whether the manufacturer is the laptop OEM or the GPU vendor. Once done, download the matching driver package from the correct vendor to a known folder so you're ready for the install. Next, you'll remove conflicts and install the new driver cleanly. Close all applications and disable antivirus briefly because installers can be blocked. If upgrading across major versions, reboot to safe mode and run display driver uninstaller for a full clean uninstall to avoid leftover files. After reboot, run the vendor installer you downloaded, choose the clean or custom install option, and follow prompts. Make sure to monitor for optional software and skip what you don't need. Then let the installer complete. Finish by validating the update and knowing how to recover if needed. Reboot and confirm the driver version in Device Manager and open the GPU control panel to check settings. Run a brief stress test or a simple game to confirm performance and stability. If you encounter crashes, black screens, or degraded performance, reboot to safe mode and either roll back the driver in Device Manager or run and reinstall the previous stable version. This solves most post-update problems. Make sure to keep recovery points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.